Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Are you a victim of American fleece enterprise? In this video, I'll share the art of fleecing, better living through credit, fleecing and identity theft, and what's being done to stop fleecing. Fleece enterprise is a system of economics where private businesses, free of government regulations, fleece consumers. Millions of people are fleeced daily out of hundreds and even thousands of dollars. While some fleecing, like bait and switch, is illegal, most businesses rely on the reasonable consumer defense, and healthcare providers on the conservative treatment defense. No reasonable consumer buys highly advertised and rated dietary supplements with disclaimers that they do not treat or cure anything. Auto-renewal programs guarantee you will continue to be fleeced for weeks or months after you no longer want the product or service. Every patient knows conservative medicine is good medicine. Conservative medicine may not be high-quality medicine, but it's highly profitable medicine. Travel has opened up a whole new category of fleas. Airlines have fleas for reserved seating, priority check-in, priority boarding, checked baggage, and carry-on baggage. The hotel industry have fleas for parking, resort, Wi-Fi, safe, early check-in, and business center use. For fleecing to significantly increase profits, they target consumers with credit cards or eligible for short-term loans. The fact fleecees cannot pay their bills is not their problem. When people paid with cash, there was less fleecing and identity theft. Organized crime discovered cash was less traceable than credit. Most consumers have replaced cash with credit. Credit can expose your name, address, credit card number, credit card expiration date, email address, and social security number. Businesses offer free samples to obtain your personal information. Depending on the website or app's privacy policy, your personal information can be shared with dozens of partners or sold to data collectors. Fleece enterprise makes it legal to profit by selling your personal information. In addition to being fleeced out of hundreds or thousands of dollars, you can become a victim of ID theft and fraud. So what's being done to protect consumers and stop fleecing? Absolutely nothing. Fleece enterprise depends on deregulation and eliminating agencies that protect consumers. Businesses defend fleecing because reasonable consumers know when they're being fleeced. For more on fleece enterprise, visit the website truthinadvertising.org. Have you been fleeced? Leave a brief comment about your experience. Thank you for watching.